Volkswagen is preparing to replace one of its longest-running small pickups with something much more modern. The new Volkswagen Tukan has made its public debut in Brazil, giving buyers their first clear look at the truck that will eventually take the place of the Saveiro. Scheduled to go on sale in early 2027, the Tukan will be offered in both single cab and double cab configurations. Volkswagen has not released official dimensions yet, but the new truck is expected to be larger than the Saveiro and positioned closer to the Chevrolet Montana, while taking direct aim at the hugely successful Fiat Strada. The single-cab Tukan should focus heavily on commercial customers who need maximum cargo space and a practical work vehicle. The double-cab version is expected to move further toward personal and family use with more equipment, turbocharged engines, and automatic transmission options. Underneath, the Tukan will use architecture derived from Volkswagen's modular transverse matrix platform. A solid rear axle with leaf springs should give the truck the durability and load-carrying ability expected from a working pickup. Volkswagen has not confirmed the engines, but several options are expected. Entry versions could use a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter engine with a manual transmission, while higher trims may receive a turbocharged 1.0-liter engine and an automatic transmission. The biggest development could come at the top of the range, where Volkswagen may introduce its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Production will take place in São José dos Pinhais, Brazil. The arrival of the Tukan will also bring the Saveiro's remarkable run to an end after more than 4 decades. With modern styling, turbocharged power, automatic transmissions, and possible electrification, the Tukan represents a major step forward for Volkswagen's small pickup lineup. For now, however, this is another interesting Volkswagen truck that buyers in the United States are not expected to get.